Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to find remote jobs on Indeed. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type indeed.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Well, this is the official homepage of Indeed. Now to search for remote jobs is quite easy. Just enter your job title right here. And right here in the location, what you need to do is simply type remote. This is it. And now let's hit on search. Once the search results have concluded, something like this will open up. Now these are all the available jobs. Now what we need to do is simply filter out the remote jobs. Right here on this filter option, you will find something like remote. Be sure that it's on remote. And there you go. The remote jobs have been filtered. Well guys, searching for remote jobs is as easy as that. If you really don't want to go away from home and work comfortably from your home, remote jobs is for you. Well guys, that's it. That's how you search for remote jobs in Indeed. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.